Hi friends, this is Bindu Sharma from Origin. Purpose of this series of videos, the key terms Patent Act, is to understand important terms used in patent law. Term to be discussed today is resident of India, which has been mentioned in section 39 of the Act. It is an important section for Indian patent agent examination. So if you are appearing for this exam, then it's important for you to understand this term clearly. Section 39 says that if you are not resident of India, you cannot file for patent outside India without filing patent application in India. If you do not want to file patent application in India, then you must seek permission from controller of patents to file application outside India in a foreign country. In simple words, resident of India means inhabitant of India. Resident of India as such has not been defined in the Patents Act. However, Income Tax Act 1961 defines the term resident of India, and we take reference from what has been defined in Income Tax Act. It is interesting to note that an individual may be citizen of India but may end up being a non-resident for a particular financial year. Similarly, a foreign citizen may end up being resident of India for income tax purpose for a particular financial year. According to Income Tax Act, an individual can be termed as a resident of India if he stays in India during a fiscal year either for 182 days or more, or 60 days or more, that is 182 days or more for NRIs, and has been in India in aggregate for 365 days or more in the previous 4 years. In the event an individual who is citizen of India leaves India for employment during a financial year, he will qualify as a resident of India only if he stays in India for 182 or more number of days. Section 39 says that residents not to apply for patents outside India without prior permission. Here the permission required is from controller of patents. According to section 39, if the applicant is resident of India but wants to file patent application in foreign country, he has two options. The first option is that he files application in Indian Patent Office and waits for 21 days to receive any objections. If no objection is received from Indian Patent Office, that means he can go and file his application in any of the foreign countries. The second option is to take permission from Indian Patent Office to file patent application in a foreign country. This permission that is taken under section 39 is called as foreign filing permission, or some people also say foreign filing license, but both the terms they mean the same. So this is the permission that applicant takes to file patent application outside India only in the scenario when he is not filing application in India first. So if application is being filed in India and you wait for 21 days to receive any objection from the patent office, then you do not need foreign filing permission formally from the patent office. If foreign filing permission under section 39 is not taken, then it may result in imprisonment for 2 years or fine or both, and this has been explained in section 118 of the Act, which is contravention of secrecy provisions relating to certain inventions. So taking permission under section 39 is extremely important when the applicant is filing a patent application outside India. In order to take permission to file application in a foreign country under section 39, you have to fill form 25, which is request for permission for making patent application, and fees to be submitted along with form 25 is 1600 for natural person, 4000 rupees for small entity, and 8000 rupees for others. Now comes question for the day. You can put your answer in the comment section. So question is, what details of the invention are required to be submitted with Form 25 at the time of seeking foreign filing permission? So just post your answer in comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video today. For any queries related to our services, you can contact us. Email ID and phone number is given in the video description. Keep learning, keep innovating. Have a great day.